The Rizos Curls Deep Conditioner is great for anyone looking for a lush softness for their hair. It's not a regular conditioner, it's a deep conditioner with a thick and deeply moisturizing formula. It deeply nourishes, strengthens, and moisturizes hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and healthy. Plus, it smells amazing like citrus and coconut. After shampooing, apply the conditioner throughout your hair. It has amazing slip, and I recommend detangling your hair in the shower after applying the deep conditioner. Just comb through with our detangling flexi brush and section your hair as needed. I recommend leaving our deep conditioner in for about 5 to 10 minutes to really get the full benefits. Afterwards, rinse out your hair. It's made with incredible natural ingredients including coconut, sunflower, olive, and argan oils, and shea butter to deeply nourish your hair, combat frizz, lock in moisture, making it perfect for dry or brittle hair. It's also free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens, and of course, it's vegan. Our deep conditioner is great for helping your hair be much more manageable and feeling soft, moisturized, and healthy.